The diagram below shows the states that matter can be in at different combinations of pressure and temperature. Standard pressure occurs at 1 bar, or 100 kilopascals. It can also be described as 1 atmosphere. This is the pressure here on Earth's surface under normal conditions at sea level. As you can see in the diagram, at standard pressure, as the temperature increases, water will change from its solid phase to a liquid phase, and then finally, a gas phase. However, when the conditions are right, a solid, liquid, and vapor phase can all coexist, and that is called the triple point. This is the triple point of water. Can you read the diagram and decide what is the temperature of the triple point of water? It is 0 degrees Celsius, which is approximately 273.16 Kelvin. And what is the pressure at the triple point? 611.73 pascals. Pascals being a unit of pressure. Is this lower pressure than here on Earth's surface or higher pressure? It is lower pressure.